How to see dividends in Interactive Broker. So first of all, go to interactivebrokers.com. Click on Login. Then you will need to go to Portfolio. Analyst. Click on Reports. Then you'll need to click on plus icon to create a new report. Then select Projected Income and Dividends and click Continue. Then go back to your Reports page and the Custom Reports. You will see a dividend report. Click on Run, choose Format. In this example, it says PDF and finally click Run. If you need more information, please contact Interactive Brokers Customer Service. Interactive Brokers Customer Service will provide you with all kinds of information. 24/7 service is provided. Thanks for watching.